In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert both an en dash and an em dash into your Google Doc. These punctuation marks are simple yet essential tools in professional writing. Understanding how to insert them can help you clearly express ideas, indicate ranges, or create stylish separations between thoughts within your document. So let's get started on adding these versatile symbols effortlessly. First things first. Open your Google Doc where you want to include a dash. Once your document is ready and you're at the spot where you'd like the dash to appear, take a look at the top menu bar. In this menu bar, you'll see a tab labeled Insert. Click on this Insert option. This is where you'll find a variety of tools and features to enhance your document, and today we're interested in inserting special characters. After clicking Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, you'll need to select Special Characters. Selecting this option will open up a new window. Think of this window as a treasure chest of unique symbols and characters that aren't typically found on a standard keyboard. A wealth of characters, each with its own purpose, is available here, waiting to be used. Once you have the Insert Special Characters window open, you'll notice a search bar. This is where the magic happens. If you need to insert an en dash, which is slightly longer than a hyphen, simply type en dash into the search bar. Immediately, you'll see the en dash appear as part of your search results, looking like a short horizontal line. Once you see it, just click on it. Similarly, if an em dash is what your writing requires, type em dash into that same search field. The em dash is a bit lengthier and stands out more in a sentence, so it's perfect when you want to create a strong break between thoughts. Again, once it appears in the search results, just click on it. Now, with the click of your mouse, the dash you selected, whether it be an en dash or an em dash, will be inserted directly into your document at the spot where your cursor is placed. It's that simple. Your sentence or thought will now have that perfectly placed dash, enhancing the readability and clarity of your writing. By following these simple steps, you can easily make your writing in Google Docs more professional and visually appealing with the appropriate use of dashes. Whether for setting apart information or linking related thoughts, mastering these small yet significant characters can make a big difference in your documents. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, and happy writing.